to Glowy Kids TV. I'm Chance.
And I'm Alicia. Today we're gonna open LOL Surprise. And I have a regular doll, and the series is Glam Glitter.
And this is the pet. And the series is I Spy.
Okay, let's start opening. What are we gonna open first?
The Glam Glitter Surprise.
Okay.
I'm trying to.
There we go. Starting to rip.
Ooh.
But it does it all the way. Action. It says it on the bottom right here. Light, camera, action. Let's see what else we got. Here's the other rip. That one.
It's a sip.
Color change, spit, tinkle, or cry.
So let's see what you got.
Now let's see. Let me find the zipper. I think I see our first surprise. Let's see.
I think I'm gonna see.
Let's see what this is. I think I know what we got. Let's see what we got inside. Oh, we got the bottle. Look at that. Middle, black and white stripes.
That's a cute bottle. Let's see what's next. What we got?
Let's see. This one's hard. There we go. Come on, rip, rip. Rip, rip, rip. I just need to get the rip. Oh, there we go.
I think we're supposed to get our zippers. There's the zipper.
Let's see what we got now. See what we got. Look at her shoes. It's the same color as her bottle. Black bottoms, a black bow, and a silver
Like
leather.
a blue. Yeah, it's a silverish blue.
Silverish blue leather on the outside.
He's
Now let's see what else we have. Ooh, it looks like we got a black ball.
I think what we
Let's
should
take
get
this out.
is the zipper.
Not yet. Okay. And then let's see what we have in here.
Here's the pets and nuts.
Oh, look at her outfit.
Oh, that's a pretty and so glittery one.
Yeah, look at her outfit. It's
And
like,
it's silver color, like silver grayish.
it's like
And
a
like
tutu.
this.
Let's see what else
So that's
we
what
got.
you have.
Let's see what's inside.
So let's see who's the girl.
Oh my, look. Yeah, this is what we opened, and this is the doll. I don't know who we got. Oh, it's the accessory.
Oh, it looks like is it a headband?
Yeah, it's a headband.
Oh,
And it has
that's
a
cute
black
headband.
bow like Minnie Mouse, but it's black.
So we'll put it on our stuff. And let's see who's our doll.
Let's see. I can't wait.
Oh, she's so gorgeous. Look at that cutest doll.
So I'm gonna open mine.
Let me see. So we got Curious Cutie.
Got this at Party City, right, Mama?
Yeah, we got it from Party City.
And it's almost my birthday.
Guys, look at my doll.
So there's our pretty
And then we
cutest
can open
LOL.
And then we're gonna open the pets.
So
This is where you rip.
It's
Oh,
a
these
hard
are
one.
Now we got this one.
okay, let him
Here's a
open it.
message. Where is it?
I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna.
Oh, look at that.
There's the magnifying glass.
So let's see what we got. Ooh, hot spot.
What does it say?
Hot spot.
Hot spot. Okay.
Mom, I'm gonna turn.
Let Ate help you.
So I'm gonna.
Oh, Chance, look at that. That's so cute. Look at that. It's black and white. That's like the same one like we got right here.
So let's see. Let's Ate
Chance,
help
don't
you.
use your mouth. Oh my, I don't. Let's see. 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 Let look at her bottle. It has the same decoration as the front as the other one. Look.
So it's
Not good.
teal and gold.
This is the sand.
Okay, what else do we got in there?
Sand.
Let's open up the
Yeah,
sand.
that's sand.
Let's see what color scooper
I don't know
we
what
got.
the magnifying glass is, but
We got a black scooper, and I
wonder
think we
what-
got a dog because we have a dog bone on it.
how do you open this thing? Oh, got it.
Oh my, look at
Oh, this is the
that.
instructions.
There's a hard poop. And here's the dog prints, and it says LOL. So let's start digging. Oh my gosh. Ooh, it looks like I see something. Let's go dig inside and see what we got. Oh my, look at that. Look at her shoe. Her shoe
It starts
has
with an L.
gold on it, and it's blue in the inside.
L.
Let's keep on digging.
Oh, this
Oh
is the
my
shoe.
Looks like I got a big chunk
Oh,
in here.
I think it's going to be a cat.
Look,
Oh,
I
think
got
it's
another of
squishy.
those gold shoe. Another gold shoe that has a blue inside.
Now we're going to open
And
this.
let's
And
see
I'm
if
going to
we
open
can
this
find
one.
the
Okay?
other shoes. Look what we got. It looks like we got a blue teal shoe.
Now, let me open.
Then let's see the other shoe now. Let's take out all the sand and see if we can find it. Oh my, look at that. It's the last thing we can see is our shoe.
So
Look,
you got 2 shoes.
4 shoes.
4 shoes. Well, 2 in front and 2 at the back, or that's extra?
So now let's open the puppy.
Let's see if we can open the puppy.
Oh,
Oh, look at her hair. She's a poodle.
no, but I can't wait to see if it's a color change or not.
So we got this one.
Mom?
You have 1 puppy and 1 doll. And now, let's see if they're color changer.
A color change or not. So let's do it, guys.
Face it.
Is it changing?
No.
Try on the cold.
Let's see if it's a cold one. Let's see. Oh, no, she's not. She's not a color changer.
But is she a spitter or a crier?
She's a spitter.
Oh!
I'll try this one, guys.
Let's see this. Let's see if she is.
So it's a spitter. Yep, it's not a color changer, but it's a spitter.
Oh, it's peeing too. See? So it's a peer and a spitter. It's a tinkler too. Doesn't change in the cold water. I think it's a warm changer. Huh? I thought it's a color changer somehow. Let's see. Anything? Oh yeah, it is color changer. Where?
Let's see. So it's not a color changer too?
I thought it was.
Okay, let's just see if it's a tinkler or spitter.
Oh, you spit it at me.
Oh, so she's a spitter too.
I thought she was a color changer. It said in her thing.
Thanks for watching.